Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to see my friend's location in Snapchat. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. The first step, go ahead and open up the Snapchat app. And once you're in here, just go ahead over to the Snap Map right here at the bottom left. So just tap on it. And once done, tap on this location services right here and just allow location. Okay. Turn it on. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, you should be able to see your friends right here on the map, okay, if you have any. Or you can go ahead and use the search bar right here, look for their names, and once done, you should be able to see where they're at right now, okay? Also, you'll be able to see, again, Bitmoji of your friends. You can just go ahead and tap on it, and you should be able to see their location, okay? Now, if you can't see their location, well, there are some important considerations. Well, number one is their privacy settings, okay? You can only see friends who have their location sharing enabled, okay? To show you, they should enable this one right here at the top right. Tap the gear icon. As you can see here, mine is under ghost mode. So I'll make sure that this one is disabled so that all of my friends can see where I'm at, okay? So that's one way. Also, as you can see here, who can see my location? My friends, or my friends except, or only these friends? Take note of that. Maybe they have set it up in such ways, okay? And also, location updates only happen when the app is in use, showing the last known spot when closed, all right? And there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.